Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. Today we're actually going to show you 6 plants. I think that all 6 of these would look fantastic mixed together in a hanging basket, and we are showcasing today the Tumbelina Petunia series. So the Tumbelinas are all what are called double blooms. Now there's more than double the amount of petals compared to a regular petunia, but they are called doubles. That is the common phrase. And this color is called Savannah. It is super vibrant. You can see how magenta it is. The Tumbelina series are a series of petunias that are all bred from the UK, and a family called the Curly family has developed these over the years. So yeah, we're starting off with this color. This is Savannah. We have every color that we could get from them in stock. There's probably 20 colors or more. I'll look, but we have a lot. Yeah, Savannah, this is super pretty. The thing about the double petunias, they're going to branch out, I would say about 20 inches, just a really nice muffin top on your basket. Over the course of the summer, they will trail down the sides about halfway to the full way of the basket, depending on if the variety is more compact or more like free flowing. And there are differences. You can kind of tell when you come look at the garden center, like this one is more flowy already, so it definitely is going to trail a little more vigorously. Some of them just stay a little bit tidier. But the thing about the doubles is you do need to clean these off when they're done. They're so dense that they don't dry out exactly the same way. Unless it's really hot, you might not have to clean them off, but just be prepared every couple of weeks to just go around and clean it up. So yeah, that's the Savannah. This pretty color is called Rosy Ripple. And again, these are the Tumbelina petunias. So pretty. This one looks like a dessert, and it is called Diana. Very beautiful. Here we have a really rich, deep purple. This is Belinda. So pretty. This one here has a touch of white, and it is called Lilac Ripple. And this one is the softest pink, and it is called Victoria. All of these petunias you can grow in part sun to full sun. Petunias can really take a lot of heat and a lot of light. They thrive in full sun. Just keep them well watered and well fertilized. Let's take a look at all of them together. I think it would be a great basket. Here are all the colors kind of smushed together in my arms, and I think this would be a beautiful basket. Again, it's going to be tidier. It's not going to wave out a couple of feet like some of our other petunias will do. But if you just have something kind of close to your patio, a real conversation piece, just something gorgeous and beautiful to enjoy, you might want to try our double petunias. To see exactly what is in stock, head to our website. The link is above. And you can see exactly what is in stock and the pricing of everything else we have in store. Thank you for watching today's top 6 double petunias. I did say I think it would make a great basket, so I'm just going to put it together. We got the Savannah. Put that one right in the middle. I'm going to put Diana here. So yeah, this basket will do great in part sun to full sun. This is Victoria. A lot of people ask us how come we're not chomping the roots up on these things. I'm gonna put Belinda next to it. But if you take a look at these, they are perfectly rooted. So you can see the roots are strong, they're white, they're going down towards the bottom. They do that because when we water, we only water when they need it. So if you see a lot of roots up top, that generally means it's being kept too wet and the roots don't have to go down to search for water. You will have a healthier plant if you allow it to dry out, even like bone dry, before watering again. Petunias is totally fine. But yeah, isn't that... Can't even see it because it's camouflaged with my shirt today. So I've got 2 more, spaced out pretty good, just eyeballing it. This one is the Lilac Ripple. And the last one I think is Rosy Ripple. Yeah, Rosy Ripple. Very pretty. I think this is going to be so pretty. We have these empty 15-inch baskets if you would like to purchase them empty and build your own baskets. And we have loads of these double petunias. Oh, my hand's dirty. And my hair's in my face. We have loads of these double petunias in store. We've had so many customers come from far away telling us that they can't find them anywhere near them. So we always grow an abundance of them. Look how pretty that is already. I'm definitely impressed with these. Okay, so if you're thinking about growing doubles, we've got lots. You can actually shop them on our website under our click and collect program, order them online and pick them up by closing the following day. So if you ordered tonight, hi Scotch, he's up there. If you ordered tonight, you can pick up by tomorrow or the following day because it's a following day closing after we pull the order. So thank you for watching today's top 6 double petunias, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.